Hello everyone, I'm Jason Wilbur, CEO of Stratigos Dynamics. Today we're digging into an important topic that's rapidly changing the landscape of our industry, the new regulations for drones and autonomous devices. As the use of drones in security operations continues to expand, so do the concerns about privacy and safety. In this video, we'll explore these emerging regulations, particularly those governing operations beyond the visual line of sight, or BVLOS. We'll discuss how these changes impact our deployment strategies, cost effectiveness, and overall security operations. Let's get started. The integration of drones in security operations has revolutionized how businesses and security professionals approach surveillance, monitoring, and emergency response. However, with the rapid growth of drone technology, new regulations are emerging to address privacy and safety concerns. These regulations, particularly those governing the operation of drones beyond the visual line of sight, BVLOS, are set to significantly impact the cost effectiveness and deployment strategies of drones and security. This article explores the latest drone regulations and their implications for security operations. Let's look at the expansion of drone use in security. We will start with routine monitoring and surveillance drones, as drones have become indispensable tools for routine monitoring and surveillance in various industries. They offer unparalleled vantage points and can cover large areas quickly and efficiently. For example, drones are used to monitor construction sites, inspect critical infrastructure, and provide real-time data during large-scale events. Drones are also utilized for emergency response and disaster management operations. In emergency response and disaster management, drones play a crucial role by providing real-time situational awareness, assisting in search and rescue operations, and delivering supplies to inaccessible areas. Their ability to operate in hazardous environments makes them invaluable assets in crisis situations. Now let's take a look at some of the emerging drone regulations. We'll start with privacy regulations. Consent for data collection. Operators must obtain explicit consent from individuals before capturing images or videos in private areas. This ensures that personal privacy is respected. Data protection guidelines. Operators are required to follow strict guidelines for storing, processing, and sharing the data collected by drones. This includes encrypting data and ensuring it is not misused. Safety regulations are another part of the regulation landscape. Visual line of sight remains for short. Drones must generally be flown within the operator's direct visual line of sight. This reduces the risk of collisions and enhances control of the drone. Fail-safe mechanisms. Drones must be equipped with fail-safe mechanisms such as automated return to home functions in case of a signal loss or low battery. Collision avoidance systems. Drones should have advanced collision avoidance systems to detect and avoid obstacles in their flight path. Operational limits. Restrictions on flying near airports, over people, and in restricted airspace unless special permission is granted. A pretty well-known area in the drone world is beyond visual line of sight BVLOS and the corresponding regulations that come with it. Advanced control systems. For BVLOS operations, drones must have advanced control systems that ensure reliable communication and control even when the drone is out of the operator's sight. Risk mitigation strategies. Operators must present comprehensive risk mitigation strategies, including detailed plans for dealing with potential failures or emergencies. Regulatory approval. BVLOS operations require special approval from regulatory bodies, which involves demonstrating the drone's safety features and operational capabilities. Additional considerations are now associated with commercial and operational regulations operator certification. Commercial drone operators must obtain certification, demonstrating their knowledge of drone regulations and safe operating practices. Insurance requirements. Operators are required to have appropriate insurance coverage to cover potential damages or accidents involving their drones. Operational documentation. Detailed operational documentation, including flight logs and maintenance records, must be maintained and made available for inspection by regulatory authorities. Here are some industry-specific regulations, sector-specific guidelines. Certain industries, such as security, agriculture, and delivery services, may have additional regulations tailored to their specific use cases. These guidelines address unique challenges and risks associated with drone operations in these fields. Integration with existing infrastructure. Regulations may require drones to integrate with existing air traffic management systems and other relevant infrastructure to ensure coordinated and safe operations. What regulations wouldn't be complete without the inclusion of environmental and noise? Environmental impact. Regulations may include guidelines for minimizing the environmental impact of drone operations, such as avoiding sensitive wildlife areas. Noise control. Standards for noise levels produced by drones to reduce noise pollution, especially in urban areas. International harmonization is part of the drone landscape in an ever-connected world, such as Global standards efforts are being made to harmonize drone regulations across different countries to facilitate international operations and standardize safety and privacy measures. Next, let's look at how these regulations impact cost effectiveness and deployment strategies. We begin with increased compliance costs. Adhering to new regulations involves substantial costs for security firms. The need for advanced technology, such as collision avoidance systems and secure data transmission, increases the overall cost of drone operations. Additionally, obtaining the necessary permits and certifications can be both time-consuming and expensive. Operational limitations are another impact area. The requirement to fly within the visual line of sight can limit the operational scope of drones, especially in larger complex environments. This restriction necessitates the deployment of multiple drones or human operators, thereby increasing operational complexity and cost. As with most industries, there is still room for innovation and adaptation. Despite these challenges, the evolving regulatory landscape also drives innovation. Companies are investing in research and development to create more advanced, compliant drones. For example, integrating AI, machine learning, enables drones to operate safely in BVLOS conditions by enhancing their autonomous capabilities and decision-making processes. Here's some quick but impactful practical advice for security and business professionals in the field. Always stay informed and compliant. Security and business professionals must stay informed about the latest regulations and ensure compliance to avoid legal repercussions and operational disruptions. Regular training and certification updates are essential for maintaining compliance. While spending money is not always fun, investing in advanced technology will save you money in the long run. Investing in cutting-edge drone technology that meets regulatory standards can mitigate compliance costs in the long run. Advanced features such as real-time data analysis, automated flight planning, and enhanced safety mechanisms ensure compliance and improve operational efficiency. Collaborate with regulatory bodies and be part of the discussion. Engaging with regulatory bodies and participating in industry forums can provide valuable insights into upcoming regulations and best practices. This proactive approach allows companies to adapt quickly to regulatory changes and influence the development of future policies. In conclusion, the new regulations for drones and autonomous devices present both challenges and opportunities for security operations. While compliance may increase operational costs and impose certain limitations, it also drives technological innovation and enhances overall safety and privacy. By staying informed, investing in advanced technology, and collaborating with regulatory bodies, security professionals can navigate the evolving landscape effectively and leverage drones for their full potential. Lastly, here are a few key takeaways. New drone regulations address privacy and safety concerns, particularly for BVLOS operations. Compliance with these regulations involves increased costs and operational limitations. Investing in advanced drone technology and staying informed about regulatory changes is crucial for security professionals.